Hello, guys. How have you been? Yeah, I really missed you so much. And today I'm ready. I want to start a vlog here. Like, I have a lot to do. I have to do some washing or like some laundry. I also have to arrange my bedroom and still pack the clothes. Like, I have to reorganize them. I have so much to do. Yeah, guys, I hope you're all doing fine, 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 and you're keeping it real, like you're trying to cope with this life, you're working hard towards your goals, and yeah, I'll see you later. I have to go remove all the clothes that I need to do laundry, start arranging the ones which have already been washed, and I'll catch you later. Feel free and subscribe to this channel. It's all about positive vibes, and yeah, it's free to subscribe. Help me grow. Let me know what you would really like to see in my vlogs. Is there anything you would like me to improve? You can feel free, share, and thank you guys for the support. I really feel so nice. Yeah, thank you. See you in the next one. Yeah. I'm so tired right now. I have to go look for something to eat. But before then, I'm going to show you how the things look right now. And to start with, in front of me, I have some giveaways, like clothes that we are not using. So I'm going to give them out. Yeah. So here I have the first bag here. Then I have these other two bags here, as you can see. So those ones I'm going to give them out. And then I have these pliers here. I was using it to fix some nails here. I don't have a hammer, so I had to use this. Then I tried to arrange my things. Like, you remember, if you watched my organization video, I showed you how to arrange or how to organize your things using the baskets. And as you can see, this is how I've arranged. I usually use them to put my cosmetic things, like my makeup, my creams, my sprays, my everything. And by the way, let me show you something. I just added this in my collection. You remember in the previous video when I was doing a skincare routine, I had rose water from Silk Company, but I found out that even this one is so nice. You see this rose water from Allison's. You can go check for it, darlings. It will really help you, you know. Yeah, so that's how I've tried to arrange my things. Then on top there, I tried to arrange my books. Yeah, so from there, I also tried to arrange my closet. This is my closet there. Yeah, I tried to arrange it. My clothes, Regan's clothes, and the ones that he's not using, I had to give them away. So that is how my day have been. Very busy actually. And I did some cleaning the floors. That's how my shoe rack looks like. On top here, I did arrange my handbags there. Then I have my duvets. Mostly when I'm done making my bed, I usually put them here, so when I'm going to bed at night, I can pick them and put them on the bed. Yeah, that is it, guys. And then here I did make this bed. It's a DIY bed, and it's serving me the purpose like the kids can play here with their friends. Yeah, I love it so much. Also, the sitting area is clean. Yeah, everything's organized. Have tried, and you can imagine, guys, I didn't even clean the utensils, so I'll have to come and clean the utensils when I come back. So right now I have to go and look for something to eat. By the way, I'm alone in the house. Regan went to visit his cousin. Sounds lonely, but all the same, it's good for him to go and refresh, guys. And this is my outfit. As you can see, I'll still have to pass by through the salon so that they can fix my hair. It's not that bad, but they need to fix it. Yeah, that's my outfit. I love this dress. The shoes, I don't know whether you can see. So yeah, I love it. So guys, I don't know whether I'll be able to vlog when I'm center, but all the same, I'll try and see, guys. See you in a bit. I got this piece here. I've been looking for it, like the oil jar. It will help me, considering that there is a hike in price for cooking oil. It will really help me or any other person who is using the cooking oil, that like he or she can be able to measure it. It's a very nice piece. I hope you can see it, and the fact that it's pink. By the way, I like bright colors. I love it so much. This one is for salt, and this one they are saying you can put pepper. So I like the piece, and here is my vinegar. That is how it looks like. So yeah, I'm going to clean the utensils. Then from there, I have a lot of things to do today. I'll finish doing my budgeting for this month. Yeah, and then I'll see you soon. So let me clean the utensils. Yeah, let me clean the utensils. When I'm cleaning the utensils, so that I can be able to save more water. I really don't want this vlog to be so long, but I still have to go do my budgeting, and then later I'll prepare some meal. That is eating a meal, eh? And that is it, guys. See you as we make our budget. Like last month, I had already prepared one. It's here in my phone. So I'm going to check whether I have already achieved everything. And I'm so grateful. Like last month, I achieved almost half of what I had budgeted for. So I would advise you to make short-term budgets and even to plan yourself and see how it works. Yeah, like I had planned to work out, which didn't go very well. At some point I felt I'm so exhausted and I stopped, but all the same I tried my best. Then there are things that I wanted to buy. I had some other things that I wanted to do. Let me just confirm. Yeah, out of 12, I managed to achieve 5 things. And guys, I would advise you, make that budget, stick it at your place where you'll be seeing it each and every day. You can write a sticker, and then you will be able to be going through it each and every morning. Like you see, for me, this is the month of March. I had written here everything you see with a sticker so that I can be able to solve it, and I was able to achieve 6 things. That's a plus for me. You should clap for me. Anyway, guys, that is it, and that's where I'm going to end this vlog. Kindly, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Join the family, and yeah, like this video. It will really mean a lot. Subscribe, it's free. You can share with your friends, and as I always say, spread love with good intention, and just be kind to one another. You'll never know what the other person is going through. Bye bye. See you in the next video.